Blackout Bingo lets eligible players enter cash competitions without paying an entry fee in some promotional formats. But Free Bingo that pays real money always comes with eligibility rules and withdrawal conditions you need to check first. For 2026, the best options are the games that let you start with free gameplay, while also offering a legitimate path to cash prizes where real money play is available in your location. Number 5 is iBingo Tour. It offers free bingo gameplay and has cash prize features in eligible locations. Start with the free mode so you can learn the controls before considering any paid competition. Check the current rules inside the app because cash features can depend on location. Number 4 is iBingo Cashin. The app combines bingo gameplay with cash competitions where available. Free gameplay can help you understand the game before risking your own money. If you receive a cash balance, check the withdrawal requirements before assuming every promotional credit is immediately withdrawable. Number 3 is Blackout Bingo. It offers free gameplay alongside cash competitions in eligible locations. The basic objective is simple: complete the required pattern before your opponents. Before entering a cash competition, confirm the entry fee and prize structure shown for that specific game. Number 2 is any app offering a genuine no-purchase promotion. This matters because a free game and a no-deposit cash promotion are not the same thing. A game can be free to download and still require a deposit before you can participate in its cash competitions. Number 1 is the platform with the clearest free-to-cash pathway available in your location. Check whether the promotion gives you bonus credits, free entries, tickets, or actual withdrawable winnings. The wording matters because promotional balances often have separate conditions. There are 4 checks to make before claiming any offer. First, confirm that you do not need to deposit money to qualify. Second, check whether the reward itself can be withdrawn or must first be used in qualifying gameplay. Third, check the minimum withdrawal amount and available payment methods. Fourth, check identity requirements. Real money platforms may require verification before releasing winnings. Also remember that availability varies by location. An app can offer cash competitions in one region while showing only free gameplay in another. Do not treat free bingo as guaranteed income. Cash competitions involve risk when an entry fee is required, and promotional rewards can have restrictions. The key takeaway is simple: Bingo Tour, Bingo Cash, and Blackout Bingo are 3 apps worth checking for free bingo and real money features, but the exact cash options depend on your location and the current promotion. Your next step is to open the app's promotion and withdrawal pages before depositing anything. Then check whether the free reward is actually withdrawable. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Bingo app guides.